Daimler Truck in association with the ATA are really proud to have a program of this calibre. It won a Learning X award last year, so it's just testament to the broad scope of topics that our future leaders get to jump right into and engage with throughout the 2-day course.
So good morning everyone and welcome to Daimler Truck Future Leaders Forum 2025. I'm Deanne and I'm your facilitator for today, and I'm really looking forward to today and tomorrow and sharing our time together